So what do you do when you're not modeling? Oh, hello. Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode. I'm going to head out to Regina, Saskatchewan, and we're going to go to the Fat Badger and have the best BLT in all of Regina. Regina, the city that rhymes with fun. And stay till the very end of the video. Right now I'm in sunny Mexico with my girlfriend, but stay till the end and I'll be reunited with my little chihuahua Mookie. So stay tuned for that. At Chappy's Tiki Bar. This is Mookie. I'm Chappy. Make sure you give us a like and subscribe at the bottom. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.